Do you feel tired all the time? Today, our main topic is fatigue. Hi, this is Alvaro Barrios. I am a family nurse practitioner, Functional Medicine Academy certified practitioner, and founder of Restore Your Health Functional Medicine.
Are you ready to bring wellness from within? This is Restore Your Health Functional Medicine, focused on healing the root cause of illness.
Let me start by asking a question. Are you tired all the time? If your answer is yes, you are not alone. And you are not lazy. You are just trying to function in a body that is running low on energy. And the solution is not always just more sleep or more coffee. Today, I want to talk about why fatigue happens, what it could mean about your health, and what we do differently here at Restore Your Health Functional Medicine to help you feel alive again. Well, what fatigue feels like? Let's break it down. Chronic fatigue shows up in a lot of ways. You wake up tired even after 7 or 8 hours of sleep. You get that 2 or 3 p.m. crash and cannot focus. You rely on caffeine, sugar to push you through the day. You feel foggy, irritable, or emotionally drained. You cancel plans because you just don't have the energy. You don't feel well. And the most frustrating part is you go to your doctor, they run standard labs, and everything comes back normal. But you don't feel normal. And that's the key. We are not looking for what is normal. We are looking for what is optimal. Why am I so tired? There are many reasons people feel fatigued. Here are some common root causes we see. Number 1, stress and cortisol imbalance. Chronic stress wears out your adrenals and dysregulates your energy patterns. Blood sugar swings. If your blood sugar is unstable, you will feel crashes, cravings, and mood changes. Number 3, thyroid dysfunction. Even if your TSH is normal, your thyroid may still be underactive. Number 4, inflammation. Hidden inflammation can drain energy and affect your brain, muscles, and metabolism. Number 5, gut health. If your gut is not absorbing nutrients or is inflamed, you won't have the building blocks for energy. Number 6, nutrient deficiencies. Low iron, B12, magnesium, or vitamin D are often overlooked causes of fatigue. Number 7, poor sleep quality. You might sleep long but not deeply. Sleep apnea, blood sugar drops, or cortisol spikes at night can all affect rest. So fatigue is not just about being tired. It is a signal. Your body is telling you that something deeper needs attention. Now, how functional medicine helps? This is where we come in. At Restore Your Health Functional Medicine, we take a different approach. We run advanced labs that go deeper than conventional testing. We look at your gut, at your hormones, inflammation, and micronutrient levels. We do a full lifestyle and nutrition assessment. Because what you eat, how you sleep, and how you manage stress all matter. And most importantly, we listen to you. Your story matters. From there, we build a personalized fatigue recovery plan, step by step. This might include targeted supplements, simple food changes, support for your adrenal and thyroid health. We give you tools for improving sleep and stress response, and gut healing if needed. This is not a one-size-fits-all fix. It is a root cause approach to healing your energy system. What you can do today, if you are feeling exhausted all the time, please know you are not imagining it. You don't have to live like this forever. There is hope and healing is possible. The first step is getting the right answers. We offer a fatigue assessment where we review your labs, your health history, your symptoms, and the most important thing, you. What do you have to say? Also, we recommend the next steps, whether it is lab testing, coaching, or creating your recovery plan. So if you are tired of being tired, I invite you to take the first step with us. Book your fatigue assessment today, and let's work together to restore your energy, focus, and vitality. Because you were not made to thrive, not just survive. Thank you very much.
Join us next time. Until then, stay well, stay empowered. Visit us at restoreyourhealthfm.com to start your journey to better health.